Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in this class we are starting new exercise, that is third C. First question is find the square root of each of the following numbers correct to two places of decimals. Students, before solving this question, firstly we understand some points which you need to keep in your mind. First is, if we have even number of digits in any number, like we have 4 digits in any number, in square root there will be 2 digits, right? If in any number we have 8 digits, then in the square root of that number we will have 4 digits. It means for even numbers, when we find the square root, the number of digits becomes half. If any number has n digits, then in the square root of that number, there will be n upon 2 digits, right? If you have 16 digit in any number, in the square root of that number, there will be 8 digits because 16 divided by 2, 8, right? For even number, after finding the square root, the number of digits becomes half. For odd numbers, if we have 3 digits, the number of digits become in the square root 2. If we have 7 digits, in the square root number of digits become 4. How? If we have odd number of digits in any number, then in the square root the number of digits will change in this format. For example, we have 9 digit in any number. In the square root there will be 9 plus 1 upon 2. That means 10 upon 2. It means 5 digits. So in even number of digits in the square root will be n upon 2. And in odd number of digits in the square root will be n plus 1 upon 2. This will help you to solve the further questions. Here in the question they ask to find the square root correct to the two places of decimal, near to the two places of decimal. So we will find the square root till third place. 3 places of decimal तक हम square root find out करेंगे. Then we will round off near to the 2 places of decimal, right? So to find the square root till 3 places of decimal, we should have 6 digit in the given number. जब गिवन नंबर में आफ्टर डेसिमल 6 डिजिट्स होंगी, तभी तो स्क्वायर रूट में आफ्टर डेसिमल 3 डिजिट्स होंगी, बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करने के बाद नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स बिकम्स हाफ, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, आफ्टर डेसिमल वी विल पुट 6 zeros so that we can get 6 decimal places. Now find its square root. Write 3, then 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make the pairs. Before decimal there is only single digit, so use 1 ones are 1, subtract it, got 2. Now you have decimal point, put decimal point here, add these two, it will become 2. Now copy down the next pair, 0 0. Now you will take 7s are 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, 189, subtract it, it will be 11. Copy down the next 2 zeros. Now in next step add these two, 27 plus 7 is 34, multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, subtract 1 7, right? Copy down the next pair. Now add these two, 343 plus 3, 346, multiplied by 2 and put 2 here, you will get 6924. Subtract it, now you have 176 as remainder. So students, here we have found the square root till 3 places of decimal. After decimal we have 3 digits, right? So this is 1.732 to 3 decimal places, but they asked the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So now we will round off this number, and in the decimal number if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any sense, so you can remove it. So this is your answer, 1.73 to 2 decimal places. यही पूछा था. So this is your final answer. We have 789. They asked the answer correct to the 2 decimal place. So we will find the square root to the 3 decimal place, and for that we need to put 6 zeros after decimal, right? Find its square root. 789.12345 make pairs. 7 is a single digit number, so 2 2s are 4, subtract 3, copy down the next pair, 89, add these two, 2 plus 2 4, take 8s are. When you will multiply it by 8, you will get 384. Subtract 5. Now you have decimal point here, so put decimal point. Copy down the next pair. Add this with this 8. 48 plus 8 is 56. Now, if you will take 1 here, it will become 561, which will be greater than this 500. So what will you take here? 0. Write 0 here. When you will multiply it by 0, you will get zeros, right? Subtract 500. Copy down the next pair, 0 0. Now add this with this 0. It becomes 560. Take 8s, multiplied by 8. You get 44,864. Subtract it. What do you get now? 6315, right? Copy down the next pair again, 0 0. Now add this with this one, 5,616. Now multiply by 9. When you will multiply it by 9, you will get 5,05,521. Subtracted 8,079, right? So now you have calculated the square root near to the 3 decimal places, right? So when you have found the square root of 789, you have found 28.089 to 3 decimal places. This is up to 3 decimal places, but in the question they asked near to the 2 decimal place. So you will round off at this place of decimal. That means 2 decimal place. Check the right digit. Right digit is 9. That means greater than 5. So we will add 1 in it, and this will be replaced by 0. It will become 28.08 plus 1, 9, 0. And in the decimal number, if 0 is at the end, it doesn't make any sense. So you can remove it. So now this 28.09 is the square root near to the 2 decimal place, right? So this is your correct answer. Now the question number 2 is find the square root of each of the following numbers correct to 2 places of decimals. Again they asked to find the square root correct to 2 places of decimals. So firstly we will find the square root till the 3 places of decimals. For that we should have 6 digits after decimal. 2 digits we already have, so put 401, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 6 digits after decimal. So find its square root. 423.740000. Make the pairs. 2 2s are 4, subtract it, 0, copy down the next pair, 23, add these two, 2 plus 2, 4. When you will take 1 with it, you will get 41, which is greater than this 23, so take 0 here. Multiply by 0, you will get zeros, subtract 23, Now you have decimal point, so put decimal point here, copy down the next pair, 74. Add this 40 with this 0, 40 plus 0 is 40 by 5, take 5 here, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, subtract, you will get 349, copy down the next zeros. Now add this 405 and 5, it will become 410. Take 8, multiply by 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, subtract. What you are getting? 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 2 2. Copy down the next pair, which is 2 zeros. Now add this 4108 by 8, you will get 4116. Take 4 and multiply it by 4. You will get 1,64,656. Subtract it. We are getting 38,944. Now we have calculated the square root till the 3 places of decimal. What is it? This is 20.584 and this is the square root to 3 places of decimal. But in the question they asked to find the square root to the 2 places of decimal. So we will round off at this place. Check the right digit, which is 4, which is less than 5. So it will be replaced by 0 and this 8 will remain same, right? So it will become 20.580. But in decimal numbers, if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any sense. So you can remove it. Now your answer is 20.58, which is the square root to the 2 decimal places, right? So this is your answer. Next number is 7136.8. You want to find the square root to the 2 decimal places. For that, firstly you will find the square root to the 3 decimal places. And to find the square root to the 3 decimal places, we should have 6 digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find its square root, right? Make the pairs. 8 8s are 64, subtract 7, copy down the next pair, 3 6, add these two, 8 plus 8 16, take 4, multiply by 4, 656, subtract, you will get 80. Now you have decimal point, so put decimal point here, copy down the next pair, 80. Add this 164 by this 4, it will become 168. Take 4 and multiply by 4, it will become 6736. Subtract 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 3 4, 10 minus 7 3, 7 minus 6 1. Copy down the next pair, 0 0. Add this number by this 4. 1684 plus 4 is 1688. Take 7 and multiply it by 7. What do you get? 1,18,209. Subtract 1916. 2 minus 1 1. Copy down the next pair, 0 0. Add this number by the 7. It will become 16,894. Take 9 and multiply by 9. So this is 15,20,541. Subtract 98,559. Now we have calculated the square root to the 3 decimal places, which is the square root of 7136.8 is 84.479. This is to the 3 decimal places. But in the question they ask the answer to the 2 decimal places, right? So round off at this place, check the right digit, which is 9, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 in the 7 and this 9 will be replaced by 0. ऐसे ही करते हैं ना round off. Students, if you are confused in rounding numbers, you can check the video of rounding numbers from the playlist. Now it will become 84.4, 7 plus 1, 8, 0. In decimal number, if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any change, so we can remove it. So this is 84.48 and this is the square root to the 2 decimal places. This is your answer. Next question, find the square root of each of the following fractional number correct to 2 places of decimals. Firstly, we will calculate this one and they are asking the square root correct to the 2 decimal places. So we should have 3 decimal places in the square root, then we will round off, right? And for 3 decimal places in the square root, we should have after decimal 6 places. So firstly, divide 13 by 11 till the 6 decimal places. 11 ones are 11, subtract 2, put decimal 0. 11 ones are 11, again subtract 9, 0. 11 eights are 88, subtract 2, 0. Because you have decimal, you can take 1 0. 11 ones are 11, subtract 9, 0. Again 11 eights are 88, 2, 0. 11 ones are 11, subtract 9, again 0. 11 eights are 88, right? So this will go on up to the infinity, right? Because this is not dividing completely, so this will be go up to the infinity. So what you are getting after dividing this number, you are getting 1.181818 and so on. You will further get 18. We just need 6 places after decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will round off at this place. At the right of this place there is 1 which is smaller than 5. So it will be replaced by 0 and this number will remain same, 8. So it will be equals to 1.181818, and in decimal number if you have zeros at the end you can remove it. So now you have this number, this decimal number, but you need its square root. आपको इसका square root find out करना है. So find the square root of this 1.181818, right? 1.181818. Make the pair. 1 ones are 1, subtract 0. Now you have decimal point, so put decimal here. Add these two, 2. Copy down the next pair. 18. If you will take 1 here, it will become 21 and you will multiply it by 1. So you will get 21. But 18 is smaller than 21. So you will take 0 here. Multiplied by 0. 0, 0. Subtract 18. Copy down the next pair. 18. Add these two. 20 plus 0 is 20. Take 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16. Subtract 4, 5, 1. Copy down the next pair. 18. Add this number with this 8. 208 plus 8 is 216. Now take 7s are. You will get 15,169. Subtract it. 249. So now you have calculated up to the 3 decimal places, right? So now you have calculated the square up to the 3 decimal places, which is 1.087 to 3 decimal place, right? But they asked the answer up to the 2 decimal place. So round off at this place. Check its right digit. Right digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 in this 8. 8 में 1 add कर देंगे and the 7 will be replaced by 0. 7 0 से replace हो जाएगा. So this will be 1.0. 8 plus 1 is 9. 0. And in decimal number, if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any change. So remove it. So this is 1.09 and this is your answer to the 2 decimal place. Now the next part is 83 whole 7 upon 11. This is given in mixed fraction. Firstly you will change it into the decimal number. Decimal number में change करेंगे. And how will you do this? You have two methods. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can change this into the improper fraction by multiplying 83 by 11 and then add 7. Right? And then you will divide the numerator by denominator. But the short method is 83 whole 7 upon 11 means 83 plus 7 upon 11. So we simply calculate this one. We will divide 7 by 11 and then we will simply put the integral part before the decimal. ये whole number part होता है ना, integral part, इसको decimal से पहले put कर देंगे, right? 11 1 11 is not possible. Put decimal and take 0. 11 6 are 66. Subtracted 4. 0. 3 are 33. Subtract again 7. 0. 6 are 66. Subtract 4 again 0. 3 are 33. Again 7. 0. 6 are 66. Subtracted 4. 0. Again 3 are 33. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 decimal places. Let's find one more. 7 0 6 are 66. Now what do we have found? 83 was the whole number, so we will put it before decimal. Decimal से पहले क्या लिखते थे? 83. And after decimal now we have 6 3 6 3 6 3 6 and so on, right? We just need 6 places after decimal, so we will round off at the 6th place after decimal. This is greater than 5, so we will add 1 in it and we will replace it by 0. So it will become 83.63634 and we have 0 now. 0 at the end of the decimal number doesn't make any change, so you can remove it. Now you will find its square root because they were asking the square root. Find the square root of this 83.636364. Make the pair. 9 9s are 81. Subtract 2. Put decimal point here. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 9 18. Copy down the next pair. 63 1s are 181. Subtract 2. 16 minus 8 8. Copy down the next pair. 6 3. Add these two. 181 plus 1 is 182. Multiply it by 4. 7296. Subtract it. When you will subtract, 13 minus 6 7. 15 minus 9 6. 11 minus 2 9. Copy down the next pair. 64. Add this number by this one. We are getting 1828 multiplied by 5. This is 91,425. Subtracted 5,339. So we have calculated the square root to the 3 decimal places. What is it? This is 9.145 to 3 decimal place. but in the question they were asking the answer to the 2 decimal place. So round off at this place, check the right one. Right digit is 5, so we will add 1 in it and this 5 will be replaced by 0. So it will become 9.1. 4 plus 1, 5, 0. In decimal number, if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any change, so remove it. So what is your answer? 9.15, which is the answer to the 2 decimal place, right? So this is your answer. So students, today we have completed exercise 3C, which is quite complicated. Lot of practice is required in these questions. So practice as much as possible. If you have any doubt in any question, you can contact me personally or you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.